Steam boiler water treatment in 3 minutes or less, I hope. Okay, steam boiler water treatment essentially is corrosion prevention on a larger scale. I have 3 boilers out here, steam boilers. They produce a ton of steam, no pun intended. The steam goes out in the building, it comes back as a condensate after it changes state into a liquid form. That condensate is incredibly corrosive and it eats a lot of things. So you have to add chemicals to a system and try to get this whole thing balanced in this little symphony of different chemicals going together. All of that has to work in conjunction with the water coming into the system from the city water, because that can change too. So you make adjustments and tweak things here or there to keep this balance. If you can keep this balance just right, you'll stop the corrosion on your pipes going out, your steam pipes. Your boiler itself will last 10 times longer and won't have any buildup. It'll be clean as a whistle. There are other things you do besides the water chemicals or the water treatment to do this. Is you can do a top blowdown, bottom blowdowns. Bottom blowdown basically knocks out any solids that might have landed in the bottom barrel of the boiler. You have a water softener system, so the water coming in from the city that has a brine salt solution that basically helps keep the calcium in the water from binding to other things. But then again, you have calcium that you're trying to fight in using salt. So now you added something else to the system and you have to do something else to combat that. Chlorides are bad for the system. Alkalinity, city water has it, but sometimes it doesn't have enough, and it's important to keep that balance. Sulfites, you have to add those in. They're oxygen scavengers. They basically pull the oxygen out of the condensate and help keep the pipes from getting corroded. Scale control is your orthophosphates. All these things have to work in a symphony together. If you actually don't do that, your pipes won't last very long at all. So far, the pipes we have in our building, they're 35 years old. Our boilers are 10 years old, and they look perfectly clean, just like the first day, almost. They'll last a long time if you do all these things. It's very important. Let me show you a few things with this. So basically, these are some of the chemicals I mixed together with the boiler water over here that comes in, and it gets cooled down to a conditioned point and then tested. There's a whole range of tests you do across the board. Alkalinity, chlorides, orthophosphates, sulfites, your conductivity in the water, which is the ability to transfer electricity through the water, obviously. All these things have to work in concert together. And these test each one of these components to make sure they are. And I